Now I have the extra power cord I'm going to need for the 1660 Super in position. I put it through one of these gusseted openings on the case that separate the back of the case from the front. And then we're going to take this card out. Note that I have my case grounded to one of these anti-static mats. I highly recommend that everyone do that. Please do that. Electrostatic discharge is no joke. I'm also using these anti-static bags. I'm going to put my old card in this bag and keep my new card in this bag until I'm ready to make the switch. I'm also wearing an electrostatic wrist strap, which I attach to the frame of my case anytime I touch the case with my hands. Some people say ESD isn't that big of a deal, but I say, why be sorry? Better to be safe.